Assalamu alaikum. We are here today to introduce you the CYC Fun Day, which is about to finish in 1 hour. If you're sitting home, just have a quick visit and see what there. I'm gonna go stall by stall to introduce what's happening. So here we have Hamza. Hamza gonna tell us about what stall he got.
Alright, so here we have a Young Innovators Network store. We're basically telling people about our workshops that we're having in the holidays and how the government is giving $100 to participate in these workshops. It's completely free and it's gonna be hella fun. The dates are here.
So who's organizing these workshops?
Well, the workshops are being organized by us, of course, and LES.
Who are they? So it's called Young Innovators Network.
So it's a bunch of kids here that we're running workshops, and we really like doing stuff like coding, stuff that our school doesn't teach us, basically.
Wow. So how much does it cost, you said?
It's free.
So who is paying for it?
The government is.
Government is. So how much they're giving to us?
They give us $100.
Oh, okay. They're giving us $100.
Yeah.
So how the parents can get that $100?
Well, if you sign up at the sign up at the New South Wales government website, you can get it there. You just have to apply.
Okay, where do you have a link for that website? Where
yes,
we get it?
It is.
So if we go there in the workshops, let me see. So
tinyurl.com.
Okay, they can scan this URL. And where are the workshop details? So if they go on this URL, can they see the workshop as well?
Yes.
So it's younginnovators.net.au, the workshops. So they get the free $100 voucher. They get the voucher. What do they do afterwards?
Well, you have to send the voucher to us at learners@younginnovators.net.au.
So that's also on that email there as well, on the URL?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's simple. You just get the URL. You get the voucher, you send in the voucher, and then you choose the class you want. When is the classes are happening, by the way?
Second week of the holidays, 23rd of April to 26th of April.
Beautiful. That's a nice message. Simple as that. Thank you very much. And you say it's a lot of